Hello mga kudogs! So, I am filming this video because I was about to go to work. Then when I opened the door, it is already snowing! Wow! Look at that! So this is quite a rare phenomenon here at the south of the UK to be snowing. So I will be filming this video so that I could share my experience with you guys. So I'm currently going to work, but my wife is not with me at the moment because it's her day off. So I don't know if she's lucky or if she's unlucky, but I am going to work in a snowy day. It's still autumn or fall season here in the UK, but it's already snowing, guys. So it's my first time to have this really thick snow. As you can see, look at that. So the snow is really thick. So it's currently 7 a.m. in the morning here in the UK, in the south of England, and it's really snowing. Look at this. So I hope my work will be okay today. Then that's my video for today, mga kudoks. Hope you enjoyed my short snowy video here in the UK. Bye bye!